This is the first part in a three-part series that explains color matching using the Marabu Color Manager and how to mix inks to match a Pantone selection guide like this. First, let's start with answering the question, what is Pantone? According to the Pantone website, Pantone provides a universal language of color that enables color-critical decisions through every stage of the workflow for brands and manufacturers. In other words, this system is used globally to define colors and make sure that your corporate logo color matches no matter where you get your logo printed. In relation to Marabu and the ink world, it means they have to have a system in place to be able to match these colors and provide color exact matches for the customers that rely on Marabu to decorate parts daily around the world. That system is here in an easy-to-use program called the Marabu Color Manager. This is another huge benefit and reason to use Marabu ink. They offer this system in an online and desktop version of the program. The benefit of the online version is that it constantly is updated. The benefit of the desktop version is that it can run without internet access, but you will need to register with Marabu and await for approval to use it. Let me show you where to download it on the AutoMark site, which will be linked down below. Once you have the Marabu Color Manager up and running, let's access this search function. I will show how easy it is to use this function to find a color. In this case, Pantone PMS 178C, which we further discuss in the next video. First, we will want to select the series of ink that we will be using in the drop-down menu. In this case, we are going to be using TPL series, basing it on the fact we plan on using it to print ABS. We decided to use TPL based on the online selection guide, which we also have in paper form here. In the color name field, we will want to enter 178. However, let's do something a bit different. Let's use an asterisk in front of 178 and at the end to create a wildcard, which will bring up all the Pantone color matches with 178 in them. Here we see all our options available. Now let's double click on the 178C Pantone match. Here we can see a simple mixing formula along with the different inks required to mix this color. If we click on the print button, we can see that this prints the formula in a very easy to read format, so that operators can stage jobs with a printable sheet, giving them the precise recipe of how to mix the color. In our next video, I will take you through actually mixing the ink, showing how easy it is to make the match. In the meantime, if you found this video helpful or would like to have your questions answered, feel free to let us know in the comment section below. Also, for more great content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And for our Instagram friends, like and follow us for more great tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.